Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we've got Sam here again.
Hi guys.
The elf from Santa. I'm Santa, and this is my helper, elf.
And today I got
Samuel elf.
this. It doesn't come with the lady, but it just comes with this little thing. No, actually, I got that on the 4th. I got this today.
Yeah, it's like a normal
little guy. But I don't know who he is because I haven't seen Star Wars The Last Jedi yet.
Yeah. So today is door number 5, which I'm going to open today. So number 5. So let's go. So number 5 today. Let's see what we're gonna get. So open it up.
I think you might get a character.
Oh, it looks like
a little gingerbread house.
Yeah, that's it.
I thought you'd get a character, but no.
So these are pieces, so it's quite bright pieces, so like green, red, like brown for the gingerbread made of the house.
Now I'll show you what.
We're gonna come back in a minute.
No, I'm gonna show you what I've got first. So this is my setup now. So I've got the lady with the like little turret thing. Then I've got the spaceships. Then I've got our new guy, and these two are having a duel. And then we'll come back to you when Harrison's finished. Bye.
I've just finished building, like Sam said, this gingerbread man house. That's what it's looking like. So it's like, that's like the base, and then this like the bit where it crosses over, like the roof. And then we've got this is the pieces that were left off the roof of the house to make it more colourful. Where do you think I should put it though? Leave it in the comments saying, or Harrison put it on the table, the roof, or outside. But I think at the moment, because I've just built it, I think I might put it on the table, just for like show. And I'll put these pieces into door number 5. And like that. So those are mine and Sam's builds for today. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on all my videos. So see you for door number 6 for tomorrow. Bye.